spirit of President Tambo Long.
Biggest challenge that we are facing right now, we've got two divisions of the sides, whereby other people they don't want a president, other people they still want the president. So what we are having, the challenge is that one, which is our biggest challenge right now.
The ANC should also create more job opportunities for the youth, and education is more important.
No, the biggest challenge that the party face is this fighting inside, but we are going to solve that. That thing is going to be solved as from today.
The biggest challenge is unity. It's unity, the biggest challenge within the organization. And the issue of factionalism and this issue of slaves that the president has spoken about.
I think the corruption, they must try to fix the corruption thing this time. I think it's too much.
We also urge that the power of ANC branches must not be undermined by slates and lobby groups.
Of course, it has quite a number of challenges. One of those is the internal dynamics of conflicts, of people that are beginning to look at only themselves and not the interests of the African National Congress and the interests of the people of South Africa.
For my opinion, the next president, I'm looking for Mrs. Nkosazana Zuma.
Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma, of course.